Not so much about the travel buddy today. I'm going to talk more about the accessories that you can get with them and the accessories that I've got at the moment that I'm using. Now there is more available than what I'm going to show you, but I think these few accessories really complement the travel buddy perfectly. For those that don't know, that's Travel Buddy. So basically what a Travel Buddy is, a Travel Buddy is a 12-volt oven. Cook while you're driving, you could reach your destination, and basically anything that you can cook in your oven at home, you can cook in this 12-volt oven. Now it's a marine grade, as you can see. This is the original Travel Buddy, which is assembled here in Australia, regarded as a marine oven. And the reason for that is it's all made out of stainless steel. What you can see on the top is one of the trays that are available. This one is from a company, well I don't know if they're actually a company. This one's from a mod that's called Somerville, and they're based in Melbourne, and they do have a website. So you can go to their website and see all the accessories that they have for the Travel Buddy. They also have the accessories for the others as well. So I'll just open this up and show you what I've got inside. And then inside's the other accessories. These ones are from another company down in Brisbane called Kaon. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. It's K-A-O-N. Again, they're also online. They also make the accessories, the trays and so on. This is a tray that's more so designed for cookies and such. So you could put your cookies, sausage rolls, anything like that, even the bread you could put on there. And you've got another tray here which is very similar to the Somerville one, but it's half the height, which means you can actually, if you purchase two of these, you can actually fit two of these trays inside the Travel Buddy. Okay, so let's start with the actual Somerville one first, and I'll show you the differences between the two as well. So this is a full height Somerville one, okay. Now, as an additional accessories, they have this tray at the base. All right, so it's like similar to what you see in a camp oven, for example. And this really helps to stop them burning the food from the base. So yeah, it's even in the Travel Buddy. The Travel Buddy here, the heat comes up from the bottom up, and it can get quite warm at the base there. So without getting your pot or the tray up off the base, you can tend to burn the base before it cooks on the top. So by using this, and there's also another huge advantage with these, and you can see it's easy to remove. That just removes like so. So it's very easy to clean. Again, made out of stainless steel. The advantages of these as well is I use this one when I'm cooking me roasts. So it keeps it roast out of all the juices and so on that falls, and it just makes it so much easier to clean. The quality of the Somerville is quite extraordinary. Look how nice those welds are. I'm really impressed with the quality. Look at that. Nice, even, very clean, very similar colour all the way around. And to be honest, it's my preference of the two between the Kaon and the Somerville. I think the Somerville. So I'll show you the other one now. So this is the other one. This is the one that's made by Kaon. Okay. Now they also, the tray at the base as well that you can purchase as an option. We'll try to show you that there. There we go. You see that just easily comes out as well. So that way it's easy to remove to clean. Show you the corners there. Here's the quality in the finish. So again, hopefully that is focusing. Again, it is quite good quality. You can see where there's a bit of a mark there as well. Now, in saying that, I'm really picky. Okay, so there's really what I just explained there makes no difference. Does the same job. Made out of quality stainless steel, very thick. This is solid. It's got some weight to it. I don't mind that. I know it's going to last me a long time. But these things are absolutely brilliant with these 12 volt ovens. They're a game changer. So of course, with the 12 volt ovens, as you can see, they come with these trays for free. But if you use these, it just keeps it a lot cleaner on the inside. And this is so much easier to clean than what these trays are. I generally don't use the trays. I just got them in there now for storage. But actually, I'll take these trays out and I'll show you how the larger of the two that I've got, this one here fits in there. So you can see how that's just a perfect fit. And that assists if you're cooking a roast. Basically, you'll only have to clean the top part, and that's a lot, and that's fairly easy to clean because it doesn't burn. I find it doesn't burn on there. If you get food that actually sits on the base here, because the heat comes up from the bottom and goes up, it can burn at the base, and it's very difficult to keep that clean, whereas the top, not so much. So obviously most of the heat's at the bottom, so the top is a lot cleaner. So yes, it is exposed at the top, but like I said, easy to clean. A lot of people use the oven bags. I don't use the oven bags because I've got a meter thermometer, which is a Bluetooth thermometer, and you can't have them inside an oven bag. So it monitors the temperature of your roast, etc. as you're cooking. Now, I'm going away camping in a couple of days, and I'm going to cook a roast in this. So I'm actually going to film a video on that, and I'll post it next week after I come back from camping. And please don't forget to subscribe. It helps my channel, and the more that subscribe, the more videos I can put on there. So subscribe and like and comment down below anything you want to see, any questions you want to ask about anything I've shown you here or any of the other videos that I've just comment, and I'm more than happy to offer any advice if I can. So thanks for watching. Till next time.